All right, so first of all, I'm going to figure out which should I work on. This finger. Oh yeah, look at that. Very limited range of motion there. Or, oh, this one's also for a little thing, yeah. But this is the worst actually. So maybe I'll tackle finger. Feel how it's hardly moves, you know? This isn't very good either though. Well, I'll take this one first. So take a deep breath. How's that for you out of 10?
Almost 10.
Okay. So I'm just going to kind of hold it there just below 10 and let her breathe into it. How about now? Give her a little rest because this is all new to people too. So some people it's just quite so kind of intense, the chopstick, you know, that again I might just try and get a bit of more circulation happening in this finger. Maybe even do a little bit on this one. Not even see. Sometimes coming into the worst finger is not always the best idea just because it's so intense for people that it can be a bit too much. So maybe I'll come into this one and see how that is for her. So in terms of pressure, I'm using about a 2 or 3 from my scale. How's that for you?
About 8.
About 8, yeah. So this finger's not as reacting as bad as that other one. So I'm gonna let her breathe into it.
It's almost radiating here.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm following the various bands. And as I say, this area where around the nail where it curves tends to be an area that holds a lot. The main thing I'm trying to do is get that right amount of pressure where it's effective but not overwhelming. And that's where the toing and froing comes in, and I can just check with her. About a 9. Well, it's not now, obviously, but before. You okay with that? And just holding that. Let her breathe into there. So we can see obviously we're near her threshold there.
Shooting my elbow.
What's that?
It's shooting in my elbow.
It's going into your elbow? Yeah. It's so tight in here, it's not funny. I'm going to ease the pressure off for her for a little while just to let it, so it's not too overwhelming. Nice click there. So because I'm hitting her threshold very quickly with the chopstick, I'm alternating with my fingers a lot more, just so it's not so all painful for her. But we're getting some movement there, it's good. And so in this case, yeah, I'm gonna just move around a bit from finger to finger, so it's not. And I'm gonna ease that off, so. Feeling it back up there, shooting up there. There. I'm just going to ease that off a little bit and find that right pressure where she can just breathe into it. These are very important pressure points actually, right in between this little finger and the second one. So it's a really nice area to work, so you're not on the bone, but you're in between. so I'm gonna come back to this one that was so tight before. And I'm just gonna try and really tune into her. Take a deep breath myself and just kind of go, okay, let's see where we can go.
Is it more pressure than before?
Yeah, I'm going harder.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So charged, this finger. So this one is so far the worst joint that I'm going to be coming back and forth to. Might even be a couple sessions to loosen up that one. We'll just do a bit more. Oops. Thank you. Thanks very much. And ease that, make sure that's within our threshold. So as beginners, you're going to want to obviously err on the side of caution. I tend to work people as much as they can handle, you know, just because I'm used to it. But still try and find that right thing, because if you go too light on some people, they won't like it, you know. They'll be like, that didn't do anything. If somebody's got particularly dry skin, you could like dip something like this into some moisturizer or something just to give a bit more movement. So tight in here.
Just let it go for a second.
Yeah. This is what I think could be one of the really leading right up into the side of her neck, and this tension is what's causing some of that problem. They're able to get in there a little bit deeper that time. You can see why you got to be patient and persevere, because it's like a lot of this, you just want to kind of, get it done, but it doesn't work like that. You've got to kind of just work with the person and it looks like it's all so small and everything, but this has been tight. This is the roots of tightness that's been there for many years.